Hello friends, welcome back to Kasreddy Family Life. In today's video, I am going to talk about one of the Apple product. The product name is Airtag. Most of the people know about this one. This product is very useful. We can track our personal belongings like luggage bag, travel bag, especially dogs, bicycles. Even for the keychains, it is very nice to track where our keychain is. In this video, first I am going to show you unboxing video of this Airtag, and also at the end I am going to tell you how to get this Airtag is free of cost. Normally this Airtag is $29. So I am going to unbox this Airtag. Let me see what we have in this box. This is what I got in the box. They written how to use this one. So when you pull this, you see you heard the sound, ding, ding, sound. Also I am going to unbox the holder for this one. This Airtag holder is not included with the Airtag price. You need to buy this separately. Here is the holder. Airtag and the holder. So in this we can keep this Airtag. Then we need to close. That's pretty simple. With free of cost, you can write anything on the back side. So when you order, you can choose what you need to get on the tag. So I write Amma. You need to write only 4 letters only. So I choose this sentence, Amma. To connect this Airtag to your phone, open this Find My app in your mobile, and you can choose name what you want to keep for your Airtag. Like this, you need to keep Airtag close to your mobile, then it connect automatically like this. I write name Kasreddy handbag. So like that you can track your personal belongings. You can see where it is, exactly the location also. And also if you don't find where it is, you can play sound also. That makes sound, beep sound, but it's not too loud, but you can hear the sound. And even if you go far from this Airtag, your mobile also show notification like this. You left your this Airtag. Now I am going to tell you how you can get this free of cost. So once when I watching this Facebook, I got a ad like this from this Verkada page. There's pop up like this. Airtag is free. Just attend the webinar. Then they ask me which date you are free like that. They ask me the name, phone number, all this stuff. I gave all these details. Then after they send me the webinar link. When I attend that one, later they ask me my home address. Then they send me this Airtag. They have 4 type of gifts options also, not only the Airtag. You can choose what you like. I choose this Airtag. You got?
I got this.
Wow! Open. What is this? Ooh! Wow! Nidhi.
What is this?
This is. Scan this QR code to subscribe my YouTube channel. Scan this QR code. You can get the webinar link. And also that webinar link also I am going to keep in the description. Personally, I really like this Airtag. You can track your personal things easily, even like for the kids animals, keychains, bags, everything. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you.